Sis, gusto mo may Pilipiniana, sis, no? Okay. May Pilipiniana ako dito, guys, oh. Mamaganda sa'yo.
Nasaan?
Very cheap price lang, di ba? But of course, our client for today, di ba? Sir?
It's cheap or expensive?
It's expensive gown, guys, of course. Ano nationality mo, sir?
South Africa.
South Africa. Oh. Galing. Pero the color will be hindi po sis, hindi yan ang mo, sample lang po siya. But the color should be same color, guys. Oh my god, it's so nice. Yeah, same color. It's so nice.
It's nice.
Dito,
Ito po, dito na siya.
pwede siyang ibaba.